abusia Shatta Wale buofu papa ototo ensem no bi e ma ne Ghana fo nyina na sedes name no Black Sherif ene Shatta Wale beef no de se nyina na enyini obi adwene ho a onte ase na eno na Shatta Wale ede eye video aba bonten a o cheche ensem mu na o cheche se ono no enye enne ena obeye Shatta Wale se Shatta Wale ne name no bandana time nyina no ye dia oye Shatta Wale na onim de ntia artist bi ba ya na ono Shatta Wale na ye so tene ba bi dwene no ho no ena mo pese da bia no omde no e compare no so ama fans no so magemo de Black Sherif fans no magemo de papa ototo bi ama ne munyina enti yenko video no na yentie ensema Shatta Wale eka Black Sherif so e de reply so aba eno so ye behwe na onya subscribe ma for that TV subscribe na beka abusua no ho sesia na yemfa odo emo odom.
They call my name. They take me to compare this artist. They take me to compare. This Black Sherif boy come out recently. No, people want to do comparison. People want. Bad man, you know go leave somebody make it to you chopping food. So bad man, Charlie, what are they wear for my neck? It be 120,000. This thing they wear it be 59 up to $60,000. Where they wear bust down rolling. Ask anybody for America, he go tell you. You know easy to take money and even buy them. You know easy. Nigga, this agenda you post that no be today. From Exo, Chicago, where you post that the compare artists. Oh, this one good passes. Oh, this one good passes. If you the artist, you know get heart. Then your spirit come down, then you fall. Hey, bad man, hey, you're modest with my big dicky day. Hey, I tell you something. My advice to every artist, hey, if they try to compare you to me, Shatta Wale, forget, cause you see me, I be like horror. I be spirit. I be something. If they compare you where your energy they grab them, forget them. Because see me, I be the dead end. When you cut to my hand, you could die. Yeah, you go do it like magic. When you sing, you don't go sweet you again. They compare you to me and you they sit down and they like them. Trust me.
Abusia so ya Shatta Wale fan ana ya Black Sherif fan afia nkasa na nsem ma kase na eyiba onu se omo beef no nyina na enyine ya na ye kase enti subscribe comment na like video no betimi so share ama amansan nyina anya bia hwe se ya won so obetimi abeka for that TV abusia kakraka yi ho yada mo ase.